my traders, I'm gonna show you one of the traders. He made amazing pips, 264 pips today, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which is broadcast instantly. Okay, so hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day, and I hope you have banked very good profit. What an amazing volatility today, and most of my traders banked 200 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Okay, so if you look at the Euro USD chart, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had such a nice, beautiful long yesterday, and we've been short from here. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, watch. The video link is given in the video description. We were short from here, so we really enjoy all this rally here, and we also had a long trade here. So guys, let me share with you guys how I analyze entries and exit, and let me share with you the intraday. If you look at the intraday analysis, okay, so if you look at, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis, we were short here, so we have continued this journey as long as the momentum is bearish. You can see here at the Asian session, and based on that, that was a beautiful breakout short trade here. As you can see here, afterwards pulled back in the morning just before London open, bank some profit, and then explain to my trader, look for another pattern. As you can see here, pretty straightforward, falling wedge, breakout, amazing trade, bank some profit. Afterwards, banking some profit, we did another analysis. Look for here this breakout, because we were expecting price might gonna develop a pullback, because this is broken, which is nicely did. And there you can see here, price nicely respected, beautiful breakout based on the analysis. As soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, banking some profit. Afterwards, price reverse impulsively. Then again, I said to my trader, look for this breakout, because that's what I did. You can see here, price respected previously this level. So if the price gonna break long, or if the price gonna break this one short and keep taking a pullback short here, because the price was about to break the previous low. So you can see here, price broken, and afterwards another breakout, another pullback, beautiful rally. After, as soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit at that time, that's what I explained my trader, look for the counter trade. Again, you can see here, such a beautiful, as soon as the price hit, price developed low high, and if you look at price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern, and also symmetry triangle pattern. That's the sign. You can see a breakout. After the breakout, price develop another pullback, beautiful counter long trade here. We really enjoyed it. As you can see here, we had an amazing trade on Euro USD, beautiful. Pound dollar cable, we had such an amazing trade. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we are short from yesterday from this level. Watch that video, link is given in the video description. We are short, bank amazing profit here, and we also had a counter long trade here as soon as the price hit this major support level. Let me share with you guys entries and exit. Okay, so look at this one, beautiful trade guys. Okay, so if you look at, this is the analysis from yesterday, short here, and this is the Asian session analysis. Explain my trader, just keep taking. You can see a breakout. After the breakout, beautiful pullback just before London open. Explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if we can get another pullback. You can see here, price develop another pullback, banking some profit. Once we bank some profit, if you look at price develop another pattern, which is, I broadcast that information instantly here. That's the falling wedge, beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit this first target, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see another pattern. As you can see here, price reverse impulsively, and then again I did another price action analysis. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely respected, did not break this level, broken this one. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, banking some profit, and afterwards price impulsively reverse, and that's what I explained now. Look for this breakout. As mentioned my trader, look for this breakout, or if the price is going to break this level, then we're looking a long, otherwise short. Based on the momentum, beautiful breakout after banking some profit. Explain another pullback, beautiful short trade here, banking some profit. After banking some profit, again I did another analysis at the New York session. Explain my trade, look for pullback at this level. You can see here price nicely develop another pullback based on the analysis. Beautiful pullback short trade here. Price nicely hit to the target in support level in 4 hour, banking amazing profit. And afterwards look for another pattern. You can see here price nicely broken. This trade we came out at the break even. As soon as the price reversed, as you can see here in my previous analysis, that's what I explained my trader. Now look for another counter long trade, because the price developed low and high, and if the price gonna break this trend resistance, look at, you can see here price broken. You can see here nice beautiful symmetry triangle pattern breakout. After the breakout, pullback as soon as the price hit to the profit target around this previous low, which is broken in 4 hour at this level. That's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here amazing trade. Okay, so dollar CAD, again beautiful trade guys, amazing trade. We've been long since at the Asian session, this breakout, and we have taken all these possibilities, and we also have taken all the short trade here, and the target nicely hit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze all these entries and also short entries. If you look at the intraday analysis at the Asian session, we had such a nice beautiful trade here. Okay, so this is the Asian session analysis. Explain my trade, look for this breakout, which price nicely broken, and after the breakout price nicely developed pullback. As always, all this trade being announced through live audio commentary true. And if as soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain my trader, it's time to bank some profit. After banking some profit, I also mentioned, updated that analysis, look for any pullback. You can see here price broken. After the breakout, pullback, we announce all these trades through live audio commentary, not to miss the trend, because the major structure is broken. And at the New York session, trader was explaining is going to come down. I said, look, as long as the price develop a pullback long, we are going to take a long trade here. We're only going to take a short trade if the price is going to break this orange EMA. As you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback. Once the price hit to the profit target, major resistance level, explain my trader, it's time to bank some profit. After banking some profit, that's what, once we see the impulsive move, as you can see here, and that's what I explained my trader, look for breakout at this level, otherwise pullback. You can see here price broken this orange EMA, breakout, and as soon as the price hit to the support level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback at this level. So which I broadcasted after banking some profit. You can see here I always monitor the price and update instantly as soon as I see the opportunity. Look for another pullback. You can see a beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit this level. Explain my trade, look for another scaling trade, short trade here, because we can see here huge rejection in 4 hour. That was the beautiful breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken this pattern, and after the breakout, as always, pullback as soon as the price hit to the profit target at the 4 hour. And that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze through price action in intraday, and banking profit every single day. All right, so one of my traders, I'm going to show you one of the traders. He made amazing pips, 264 pips today, and all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which is broadcast instantly. Okay, so let me share with you. You can see the best trade we had is 50-60 pips. That's the another counter short trade on dollar CAD. All these trades 100% are based on the analysis. Look at here, this one pretty straightforward, breakout short trade here, and as soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain my traders, time to bank some profit. You can see here most of them in the beginning we had only few losing, I think only 3 losing trade, but all of them beautiful pips. Long trade, this is counter long trade again for EURUSD, as you can see based on the analysis I just showed you guys. And all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which is broadcast. As this trade 56 pips, 60 pips around, you can see it based on this analysis. And if I look at this, open this trade ID, you can see this is the entry and this is the exit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze an intraday, and helping my traders to squeeze amazing profit every single day. Okay, so the most important part and interesting part of it, you should be watching all this analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis, and you can also get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.